What's the meaning of acquaintance rape? Acquaintance rape. Acquaintance rape. Acquaintance rape. Acquaintance rape. Acquaintance rape. Acquaintance rape is a type of sexual assault that occurs between two people who know each other. Whether it be through friendship, work, school, or another social setting, the term acquaintance can be misleading, as it suggests some level of familiarity or consent. But in reality, the act of rape is always non-consensual and illegal. Victims of acquaintance rape can experience a range of physical and emotional consequences, including injury, trauma, shame, guilt, and difficulty trusting others. It is important to understand the seriousness of acquaintance rape and to promote healthy relationships built on respect, communication, and consent.